Hurry up in there, boys. You're going to be late, the very first day of school.
Right this way, little scholars. Welcome to your new school, Pravda, Prado. Bright new students, eh? Magnificent. You are so welcome. Let me help you. This way, this way. This is our little red schoolhouse. Books? Splendid. We check books here.
We check books here.
Listen, my children. First, you must learn to avoid gluttony. With my help, you won't find yourself tempted. We begin the day by singing the school song together.
But why, teacher?
But why? In this school, nobody asks why.
Teacher.
Nobody.
When the teacher says nobody, nobody.
Right, boy. Now, look into mine eyes. Everyone stand and sing.
Father, Lord is good and kind. Discipline the wayward mind. Train us never to say why, lest your wisdom we defy. Wash our silly little brains, plant the seed and bring the rains. You will reap a harvest fine of glowing crimson party lines.
What did you learn in school today? Well, let's see. Who was the great liberator?
Tovarich Lincoln.
Huh? Well, who was the father of his country?
Tovarich Washington.
Tovarich? And how much is 2 and 2?
That depends.
Depends on what?
What the big Tovarich decides. Whatever the great Tovarich decides.
Who's this Tovarich?
Our great leader and fountain of all truth and wisdom. It's time that we do our homework. Wash our silly little brains, plant the seed and bring the rains. You will reap a harvest fine of glowing crimson party lines.
Very good. Now let's see what you did with your homework. Let's hear from you. Give your report.
Confidential report of my Uncle Burrito. He says that no Tovarich was a great emancipator.
What infamy? What good homework. And now you.
Uncle Burrito says that big Tovarich was not the father of his country.
That is treason. For the fine report. Now you.
Then, what? Comrade teacher, for the glory of the party, you shall count Aloud, clearly, and distinctly, up to 1 trillion.
1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 9 and 10 and 11 and 12 and 13 and 14 and 15 and 16. 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1000.
But more slowly, comrade.
1005, 1006, 1007, 1008, 1009, 1010, 1011, 1012, 1013.